Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to find and access hidden apps on Samsung Galaxy A27. To do it, you'll need to go to the settings, then find home screen. Now scroll down until you find the option of hide apps and on home and app screen, and now you'll find the apps that you have hidden. To be able to access them, you'll need to remove them from the hidden apps list, then click on done, and now you'll see that they have appeared on your screen. You can now open them in order to access them. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.